description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Pakistan. This is, I always like to call it Knorr, but it's just Knorr. And this is their Chatt Patta, which translates to tangy, spicy, that kind of thing. And they've got a character, pepper character. And I don't want to listen to this song. So how goes it? It is Thursday, the 31st day of July, 2025. Yeah. Noodle block. I'm trying to do an inordinate amount of things as quickly as possible because I'm going to take the kids to the thrift store. I'm sure a lot of you would be like, why would you take them there? Dude, I found the camera that I'm using now to shoot the nice pictures for the reviews. That I found last week for $15 at the thrift store. No fooling. So yeah, it's this is the day to go, the morning to go, honestly. But yeah, cool. So yeah, this is supposed to be a tangy, spicy. It says you're supposed to stir it the whole time too. So that's what I will do. Never been to Pakistan. I've always been curious. What's funny too is I remember a while back it said Pakistan was the most dangerous country in the world. That for like, I don't know. For who and for doing what? I'm sure skydiving is pretty dangerous anywhere. Juggling? I don't know. But yeah. I guess Russia is going to be doing tourism flights between there and North Korea starting pretty soon. I'm jealous. You know, if I was a Russian citizen, I could go on a little trip once in a while to North Korea. That'd be cool. I don't know. I've watched a lot of video about North Korea, and I find it to be an absolutely fascinating place. Other people are like, dude, you're nuts. But no, I think it's a testament to the organization of people. I mean, you see all the stuff they do in large groups. It's really something else. So, and I think the only way you can achieve that is the way their society is set up. I don't think all this individualism we have here really lends itself well to like a groupthink like that, if that makes any sense. So, but yeah, it's a place I would check out, to be honest. Not to offend, but just as I find it fascinating. Alright, as well as Pakistan. So this is very brothy, and yeah, I have a feeling from the scent already it's going to have a lemony aspect to it, kind of like za'atar kind of thing going on, maybe sumac or something going. Cheers. Yeah, it's definitely got that kind of Eastern flavor to it. It's not salty. It's definitely got that, it reminds me of that za'atar seasoning a lot. Not too bad. Fascinating, more like. You know, I thought this was Patta, but it's not. It's Patta. Alright. Scallion. Crushed red pepper. Sesame seed. Which reminds me, I need to get more sesame seed. I'm pretty low on that. I keep making curries, and I use a lot of curry sesame seed in the rice that I make to go alongside it. I will admit, though, I'm starting to get a little burnt on curry, and I didn't think that was going to be possible. But I mean, I've had curry every night for like the last, what, month, maybe? So yeah, you can watch it rotate. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Good Soul Rapaki from South Korea. It's a combo of tteokbokki, which is rice cake, and ramen, which is noodles. So, by the way, the last one I did, the Chatt Patta, that was sent to me by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, man. And yeah, there'll be more to come. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.